Imagine waking up to an alert from your phone that you just made another $1,000 overnight. This is what a lucrative side hustle can do for you. Now, for those who don't know, a side hustle is a way to make money outside of your 9-to-5 job and/or traditional lifestyle. But a side hustle doesn't just put extra money in your pockets. It can allow you to turn your passions into a profitable source of income, pursue financial freedom, earn passive income, pay off your debt, build wealth, escape the rat race, become your own boss and/or retire early, all depending on how hard and smart you hustle. Now we have put together a digital guide that will break down what a side hustle is, why you need a side hustle, why most people start a side hustle, earn versus passive income side hustles, how to start a lucrative side hustle, 85 lucrative side hustles you can start, scale, and monetize, how to use social media to fuel your side hustle, how our Instagram page grows hundreds of thousands of followers per day, and how you can do the same, how you can monetize your Instagram, and how to build multiple streams of income so you no longer depend on your 9-to-5 job. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then this ebook is for you. And for a limited time while purchasing this ebook, you'll receive our Side Hustler ebook bundle pack as a bonus, which is an additional 114 entrepreneurial ebooks for the Side Hustler. Yes, you read correctly. You'll be receiving a total of 115 ebooks with this purchase. Now hit the Buy It Now button and start hustling.